welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making chicken stir fry. Yes, we're gonna show you today how to make a chicken stir fry. So what I have here, I have a skinless, boneless chicken breast, and we're gonna slice it a little bit thin. Pretty much that's how we're slicing it here. So I'm doing here 2 chicken breasts. Now what I need here, we need to marinate them. So let's move everything into the bowl. So we have them in the bowl here. We have to add some cornstarch, sesame seed, soya sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, and a hoisin sauce, and I add some hot sauce to it. And now we're gonna mix it very well and let it marinate for about 20 minutes and ready to go in the frying pan. Nice, already smells so good. Voila, now let's put it on the side. Now we're gonna work on our vegetables. Now make sure I bring water to boil first, and let's slice our vegetables. I'm starting with the carrot. And why I'm starting with the carrot? Because carrot take the most time in the water to boil it, and I'm slicing it like thin, nice, like this, almost half moon. Red onion, and I have broccoli florette here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just slice it quarters like this. Here you go. And I have some bok choys here already. I already cut them quarters as well, and all our vegetable is pre-washed. Voila, here we go. And always a little drop of oil, and the oil keep the color nice and bright colors for the vegetables. You let the water boil for 1 minute on those, then you add the onion, broccoli, and the bok choy. And now for like 30-40 seconds, and good to go. Voila, vegetable is ready. Just turn it off and move it on the side. Let's put it on a plate on the side here. Now in the meantime, we're gonna work on the we're gonna start cooking the chicken. So what I need here, just the olive oil, and I have here fine chopped fresh ginger and fresh garlic. Beautiful. We're gonna cook this for like 30 seconds, and then we'll add the chicken. Nice. Now let's add the chicken we marinate. Voila, the chicken is ready, and I'm adding a little bit water to make the sauce, and the water from the vegetable here. Beautiful. Now it's time to add the vegetable. Voila, here we go. Lovely. Give it a little mix. Beautiful. Nice. Here we go. Our chicken stir fry. It's ready to be served. Quick and easy. Have the plate ready, and let's Yummy. Already smell amazing. Voila. Looking good. Let's give it a try. I like the vegetable too. Wow, it is a yummy dish. Chicken stir fry, quick and easy to make. All yours to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll make more meal like this, yummy meals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.